and welcome back to the Morgan Factory. Here on this channel, I typically show you how to upcycle your own clothes. Today we are doing something different. We are putting fabric on our walls. So this is a great option if you cannot paint. If you are a renter, this is completely renter friendly. Once it dries on the wall, you can easily remove it whenever you move out. And if you change your mind a lot like I do and redecorate your house all the time, this is also a great option. So if you want to go from this to this video is for you.
So I grabbed the biggest pot I could find. I've also got cornstarch, so I'm gonna have 1 part cornstarch, 2 parts water. Bring it to a boil. You're gonna wanna stir it constantly and then take it off the heat, and this will get thick as you let it set.
Now I have a light switch and I have a wall outlet. I am just going to unscrew the wall plate and remove those. It will give us a much nicer finish when we're done. Now in choosing your fabric, I know for a fact that things like 100% cotton, quilters cotton, things like that are going to work the best because cotton is absorbent, it's a natural fiber. So what's going to happen is the cornstarch is going to adhere to the fabric and make it a little bit stiff, and it should just easily go on the wall, and once it dries it stays on the wall until you peel it off. I do have another fabric because I don't know if I have enough of this one. I also have this fabric and they both match my shirt, but this one is silk. So I may do like a patchwork design on the wall. I'm not sure yet. I'm really just going to go with the flow. And I will let you guys know how the silk does versus the cotton. What's really nice about cotton is, if you do not know this, you've got cross grains that go up and down and left and right. And I have decided I am going to make like a patchy wall. So I'm going to be cutting my fabric into squares. So if you snip the cotton, it rips right down straight on the grain. So I am just going to make different size squares. So I've taken one of my squares and I have dunked it into the starch water mixture that's on my sink. I've wrung it out almost all completely. There is still some water in it, so what I'm going to do, and you might want to put down towels or something on your floor, but it's going to be an easy cleanup. I'm going to start, we'll start right here, and I'm just going to kind of rub the fabric on the wall where I'm going to start, and then I'm going to find the corner of my fabric. Now I am not really worried if my my lines are straight or if there's wrinkles in the fabric. You can grab one of those, like a putty tool, to smooth it out. But this fits my aesthetic. It's patchwork. It's like handmade. We are just going to keep going, keep layering on different size squares, different fabrics. Let's see what happens. after finishing my beautiful patchwork fabric wall, I would recommend using 100% cotton. It worked a lot better than the silk. I would recommend wearing play clothes because I got starch all over my leggings. I knew I would. I'm a messy person. But it was super easy to clean up off the floor, super easy to put up. And till next time.